First, you want to attach the upper quick release plate to your camera. After that, you can grab the tripod legs and attach those to the gimbal. With the gimbal turned off, you want to unlock the roll axis. From there, you want to stand the gimbal up on a flat surface, and with the roll axis in a horizontal position, go ahead and relock it. Now you want to unlock the tilt axis. With the tilt axis in an upright position, go ahead and relock it. Now you want to place this lever in the unlocked position and grab the bottom quick release plate so that you can install it onto the gimbal. Once it's in place, go ahead and lock the lever. Now you want to place this lever in the unlocked position and then go ahead and grab your camera. Using the quick release plate, install your camera onto the gimbal as shown here. Once it's in place, go ahead and lock the lever. With the gimbal on a flat surface, unlock the tilt axis so that the camera can rotate freely forward and backward. You want to adjust your camera's center of gravity so that it's able to balance in an upright position. To do this, you want to unlock the lever located on the bottom quick release plate and then use this control knob to adjust the position of your camera until it's able to balance by itself. It'll take a few back and forth adjustments until you get it just right. Once you have it balanced, go ahead and lock the lever. Now you want to adjust the balance of the tilt axis. To do this, you want to loosen this lever right here. And you're going to adjust the up and down position of your camera until it's able to stay balanced at any angle. Again, this will take you a few adjustments before you get it just right. You'll know the tilt axis is balanced once your camera is able to remain steady while pointing upward as well as downward. Once it's balanced, go ahead and lock the tilt axis. From there, you want to unlock the roll axis. If you plan to use the gimbal with your screen flipped out, go ahead and do so before going any further. From here, you want to unlock this lever and adjust the roll arm's position from left to right until your camera is able to remain steady at any angle. If you're having trouble with this step, you want to be sure to lock the lever of the roll arm each time you test the balance. As you can see, I can place the camera at any angle from left to right and it remains completely steady. After that, go ahead and lock the roll axis. From there, you want to go ahead and unlock the pan axis. The goal here is for the camera to remain steady when the gimbal is at a 45-degree angle. So you want to unlock the lever and adjust the position from front to back until the camera is completely balanced. And same as before, it's going to take you a few tries before you get it just right. But eventually, the camera will stay balanced with the gimbal at a 45-degree angle. After that, you can go ahead and turn the gimbal on and start the calibration process. Once that's done, you're pretty much finished and ready to go.